Now witness the championship match for singles boys and girls category in the elementary level. Let us welcome the players and officiating officials for the championship match for singles boys and girls category in elementary level. From elementary level boys, table 4. Table 4, match between Cavite School of Life and Salawag Elementary School. Player from Sisol, Lincoln Jan Acero. With coach, Jomari Kaliwan. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga championship players. Versus Salawag Elementary School, player from Salawag, Neil Butchoy Celeste. With coach, Mr. Ranil Celeste. Umpires, Mr. Virgilio De Jaico from Dasmariñas 2 Central School and Mr. Archie Cabez from Paliparan 2 Integrated High School. Shake hands, players. Table number 2, match between Mater Christi Academy Incorporated and Bulaland Integrated System School Philippines Incorporated. Player from Mater Christi Academy, Miss Gabriel Perido. With coach, Miss Danila Lee Abuela. Player from Bulaland Integrated System School, Miss Fritzi Nicole Astilio. With coach, Miss Grace Labio. Umpires, Mr. Gilbert Reyes from Sabang Elementary School and Mr. Glenn Vincent Rodil from New Era Senior High School. Shake hands, players. Good luck to all players. Ladies and gentlemen, the championship match for elementary boys and girls.